Hi and welcome to WP Optimiser. We all know that site speed is critical to any web business nowadays because slow pages ruin your conversions, they lower your opt-in rates and they kill your site rankings. So any delay in your load speed costs you money, and this is even more costly if you're paying for advertising. So follow me while I switch over to my computer so you can see WP Optimiser in action. Okay, so we're running a speed test on a colleague's website right now. And as you can see in this pingdom speed test, that it's taken over 8 seconds to load. This is a real sales page made in WordPress, and as you would expect, this product didn't sell very well. Now, I'm going to fix this with WP Optimiser right now to show you how powerful this product really is. I'm not going to go through all the features, we're just going to go over the first 3 features, which are optimizing the images, optimizing the database, and enabling lazy load, so you can see in real time the massive improvements WP Optimiser will make to this website. Okay, let's run the image optimization first. Obviously, if you have large images or many images uploaded, it can take a few minutes to complete. Then once that's done, I'll optimize the database and then make sure lazy load is enabled over here. Okay, let's now see what happens to the speed test after just doing that. Okay, I'm on the Pingdom Speed Test website. I'll add the URL here and then click Start Test. Let's wait for that to finish. And as you can see, we went from over 8 seconds load time to just 1.28 seconds. That's over 500% improvement. The image size has dropped from over 19 megabytes to just 1.8 megabytes without losing any image quality at all. And from 17% faster, this website is now faster than 84% of all websites tested on Pingdom. As you can see, that is a massive improvement. So just imagine how much faster your website will be when you start using WP Optimiser starting today. With WP Optimiser, you won't have to tweak every image one by one or pay hundreds of dollars to developers to constantly tune up your WordPress installation ever again. All you need to do is use this plugin and you'll speed up your site like you've never seen before. Now, of course, we all want fast sites for better rankings and better user experience. And this is especially important as over 60% of traffic nowadays uses mobile devices which don't have fast internet. So not speeding up your site means losing a lot of traffic, sales, and wasting loads of advertising money too. You see, there are 5 main speed problems that we should all look at. Problem number 1. Many hosts are slow or badly configured, causing ongoing load issues. But how do you know if that's really the case? Problem number 2. Many themes and plugins slow down your site through heavy code and calls to other sites and services. But it's hard to tell which products are killing your site speed without wasting a huge amount of time testing. Problem number 3. 99% of the time, we upload images that are more than double the optimal size for top performance. It's simply too much work to optimize each graphic individually. And who has the time for that, right? Problem number 4. We unknowingly bloat our WordPress database with post revisions, auto saves, and orphan data, which means a huge increase in processing power and higher server costs, especially when your site gets bigger. Problem number 5. More than 60% of visitors bounce off our pages, yet our servers still load all the images on every page requested, even if the user doesn't scroll down the page, which eats our bandwidth, slows down our sites, and costs us in lower site rankings and conversions. You see, almost every WordPress speed-up product either focuses on cache or code compression, and it ignores the basic industry recommendations. And that's a bit like adding a turbo onto an overloaded car and expecting it to go faster. So that's the reason why we created WP Optimiser. Let me show you around. As you've just seen, WP Optimiser quickly identifies site and server issues, giving you recommended actions to take. It identifies problem themes and plugins so you know exactly what to disable to make your site faster. It batch optimizes your existing graphics and auto-optimizes all newly uploaded images, decreasing your load time and saving you hours optimizing stuff individually. It performs a thorough database optimization, removing needless site junk and clutter, making your site lighter and faster. And it allows you to lazy load your images as the user scrolls down the page, saving you bandwidth and decreasing your page load time. So with WP Optimiser, your site will be finely tuned up to 70% less bulky, and naturally, it will load much faster. This will help with your Google rankings, which of course means more traffic and sales. Your visitors will have a better user experience, which means more time on site and lower bounce rates. Your site will use less bandwidth, which means lower hosting costs. And your site will use less processor power, which means more simultaneous users without needing to upgrade your hosting plan. Now we have a special deal on this product for you, so check out the offer below and start optimizing your sites today with the best product for the job. On behalf of the Cyber Tactics team, I'm David Cassar. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on board.